Hi guys, welcome back to Exterior Cleaning Expert. Today we have a medium-sized detached house. Another full exterior cleaning job. As you can see, with a filthy condition and dirty condition, I have to scrub a lot today. As you can see, the gutters also looks like it's clogged and full. So I'm going to clear with the pressure washing, ULANS adapter, and then I'm going to apply the UPVC cleaner and scrub nicely and giving a gentle brush and give them a good clean, including this conservatory roof and all the UPVC and windows. So guys, this year I've been using this UPVC cleaner for my deep cleaning jobs. Just sharing for your attention. It's been really good. It's a good powerful grime eliminator. Actually, you can try this. You can buy them from Amazon and eBay. Liquid pack. And this is the boss man. And did you check my videos?
No.
Not yet. So check this video then with the audience.
It's all done properly.
You can give a live comment.
Yeah.
How satisfied are you?
All right, I will do when you've done.
Okay,
it's all
mate.
sorted.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you need water?
So guys, let me know your thoughts as well down below in the comment section, and give us your support and love and share my contents, and stay tuned with Exterior Cleaning Expert. So let's get cracking and enjoy the job. Let me show you the front one now. So this is the front. As you can see, it's the same condition. It looks grimy and very filthy state. My dear friends, this is not just about a satisfying clean. Today, I also want to talk a little bit about my own experience when quoting for these type of jobs. Because this was an all-in-one exterior cleaning job. I expected there would be grime, dirt, moss, and a lot of time involved. I estimated around 3 to 5 hours work and quoted accordingly. However, I underestimated the back extension roof and the front slab roof. When I first looked at it from the street view, I thought it would be easy for me to get up there and complete the job. But I never expected there to be this much moss on both the front and back roofs. That definitely affected the amount of hard work and effort needed, at least an extra hour or more. Also, while clearing the moss through the gutters, a lot of it fell onto the patio and driveway area. Since it's impossible to collect everything while working on the back roofs, I had to give the patio and surrounding area a much deeper clean as well, just to leave everything tidy. On top of that, especially at the back side, some of the moss and mess also affected the neighbor's side, so I cleaned those areas too. Altogether, these things added another 1 or 2 hours of extra work for me. But luckily, I have done a couple of window cleaning before this job, and I had already planned to spend the rest of the day there, and because I quoted correctly, it still worked out fine. Although honestly, considering all the extra work involved, I probably could have charged a bit more. But never mind, as long as the customer are happy, I'm happy. That's always been my policy. So I continued everything with a smile on my face. Even when the customer mentioned they didn't want to pay extra, especially for the front slab roof, which had a huge amount of moss, I happily said, no worries, I will include it for free for you. So I cleaned both the front slab roof and the back extension roof at no extra charge, because I don't like hustle or stress. And honestly, when you work this way, sometimes God bless you with easier jobs and good money on other days. That's how I balance it in my mind. Some days are harder, some days are easier. This is life. And this is the service I'm proud to provide. And I'm happy with that as well. Now, I let you to continue watching the video and enjoy the rest of the transformation. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment below. Enjoy the video. So the final outcome. Looks fabulous. Looks like brand new. The windows cleaned again with the pour water as well, including those skylight windows. Everything looks perfect. I have to give a free clean on the roof as there was a lot of moss here. All the dust is cleared and looks fantastic.